Kia ora, my name's Rebecca Campbell. I'm a scientist at Plant and Food Research in Motueka, and I'm a very grateful recipient of the MBIE Whitinga Science Fellowship. The research for my fellowship is all about epidemiological modelling for plant diseases. It's quite handy with COVID. We've had a lot of conversations about epidemiology and epidemiological modelling. In some ways it's kind of similar. We are trying to flatten the curve of the plant diseases. One of the things I love most about my work is it's so varied, and I get to go out into the field and talk to the growers and have that real connection, and I get to do lab work. There's just so much more to know, and everything you do find out, there's more questions that come from that. I guess I'm driven by that curiosity, and actually there's a lot of creativity in science of thinking up the solution that could possibly work. So I went to university in Christchurch. I did my honours in entomology and fragmentation science and community ecology with insects. And then I did my PhD with freshwater science, so I was a freshwater ecologist. I did some part-time jobs while I had my children, and to get into plant pathology there was a job advertised here as a part-time technician. I thought that fits perfectly, I can do that. And then once I got into it I realised actually I can bring in all my ecology background and my spatial ecology background and apply it to this new system, the pathology. In plant and food we're constantly applying for funding from anywhere we can really, and putting together a proposal has to be quite concise to apply for a fellowship like this. I had to check properly that I was eligible because I have had that time off since my PhD. I had the family break, and I think that it's really, really important that that fellowship recognised that actually I was still an early career researcher because I had been working part-time. So I think I will carry on championing this area of research. I think it's really important, and already people are reaching out to me interested in the skills that I've developed or developing. So I'm quite inspired to apply for some funding that really connects internationally. I think there's a lot of knowledge that we can have from overseas. For example, organisms that we don't have here yet but might come here, and we can bring all that knowledge back here first and be ready, more ready at least.